Avenue Supermarts, DMart, Q3 FY26 results, revenue up 13%, but rises 18% on strong store expansion. Avenue Supermarts Limited, the operator of DMart retail stores, has announced a strong set of financial results for Q3 FY26, reporting healthy growth in revenue and profitability despite a challenging demand environment. For the quarter ended December 31, 2025, the company's standalone total revenue increased by 13.2% year-on-year to 17,613 crore rupees, supported by steady store additions and continued focus on value-driven pricing. Standalone EBITDA for the quarter stood at 1,481 crore rupees, registering a year-on-year growth of 19.9%, while profit after tax rose 17.6% to 923 crore rupees. EBITDA margin improved to 8.4% compared to 7.9% last year, and PAT margin also saw a slight improvement to 5.2%. Basic earnings per share for the quarter increased to 14 rupees and 19 paise from 12 rupees and 6 paise in Q3 FY25, reflecting improved operational efficiency. During the quarter, Avenue Supermarts added 10 new stores, taking its total store count to 442 as of December 31, 2025. The company highlighted that DMart stores that are 2 years or older delivered a revenue growth of 5.6% year-on-year. However, overall revenue growth was partly impacted by deflation in staple food categories. For the 9-month period ended December 31, 2025, standalone revenue rose 14.9% year-on-year to 49,764 crore rupees. EBITDA for the period stood at 4,024 crore rupees, while PAT increased to 2,499 crore rupees. Basic APS for 9MFY26 improved to 38 rupees and 41 paise from 35 rupees and 47 paise in the same period last year. A total of 27 stores were added during the 9-month period, strengthening the company's retail footprint across India. On a consolidated basis, Avenue Supermarts reported Q3 FY26 revenue of 18,101 crore rupees, up from 15,973 crore rupees a year ago. Consolidated PAT for the quarter stood at 856 crore rupees, while 9-month consolidated revenue reached 51,137 crore rupees with PAT of 2,313 crore rupees. Management reiterated that DMart's everyday low-cost, everyday low-price strategy continues to drive customer value through efficient sourcing, distribution, and competitive pricing.